Today we'll work on the Constitution. You will flip to page 50, the Revolutionary War. All right, let's begin. The United States needed a plan to make a strong central or national government. Before the colonies became a country, people could not choose their leaders. The people in the United States did not want a king. They wanted to vote for their leaders. The Constitution let the people vote for their leaders. Let's move on to page 51, the three branches. Part number 1 of the three branches. The legislative branch, Congress. It makes the laws. The executive branch, the president, carries out laws. The judicial branch, which are the courts, decides what laws mean. The people did not want federal or central government to be too powerful. The Constitution divided the government into three parts. The legislative part makes the laws. The executive part carries out the laws. The judicial part decides what the laws mean. No part of the government has more power than the other. Let's move on to the questions. The Constitution and the three branches, page 50 to 51. Number 1. What did the United States need to make a strong government? Number 2. What did the people of the United States did not want? Number 3. How did the United States want to appoint their leaders? Number 4. What was written in order to let the people vote? Number 5. What are the three branches we just talked about? Number 6. What is the role of the legislative branch? Number 7. The judicial branch decides what laws mean. True or false? Number 8. What branch carries out the laws? A. The legislative, B. Executive, or C. Judicial? And lastly, number 9. The judicial branch has the most power. True or false? Alrighty, upon completion, please make sure to upload it to Teams or send me a picture if you're having any difficulties and I will upload it for you. Have a great day.